Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of home theater setups with the Raspberry Pi XBMC starter kit featuring the Model B+. Now, if you're looking to transform your living room into a hub for entertainment, this kit might just be your ticket. First off, let's talk about the heart of this setup, the Raspberry Pi Model B+. This little powerhouse packs a punch with its quad-core processor and ample RAM, ensuring smooth playback of your favorite media. Setting it up is a breeze, thanks to the comprehensive instructions provided. Moving on to the XBMC, now known as Kodi software, it's the cherry on top of this DIY home theater sundae. With its intuitive interface and wide range of customization options, you can tailor your viewing experience to suit your preferences. Whether you're streaming content online or accessing media from your local network, XBMC has you covered. Now, let's address the peripherals included in this kit. The included HDMI cable ensures a seamless connection to your TV or monitor, while the power supply unit keeps your Raspberry Pi juiced up and ready to go. Additionally, the preloaded microSD card means you can hit the ground running without having to worry about installing the operating system yourself. One thing to note is that while the Raspberry Pi Model B+ is a capable device, it does have its limitations. High-definition content may struggle at times, and intensive tasks like gaming might not be its strong suit. However, for casual viewing and streaming, it more than gets the job done. In conclusion, the Raspberry Pi XBMC starter kit with Model B+ is a fantastic entry point into the world of DIY home theater setups. With its affordability, versatility, and ease of use, it's a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their entertainment experience without breaking the bank. So why not take the plunge and see what this little wonder can do for your home theater? Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.